of legacy, learning, and inspiration at St. Peter's High School. Welcome to Prerna 2024 Silver Jubilee Edition, a legacy inspiring greatness.
Sorry?
Indeed, indeed, this isn't just an event. It's a tribute to a journey built on unwavering values, a clear vision, and boundless passion.
That you get feedback little bit slow.
This is a bit slow.
Now they are operating over there.
No, I'm just seeing the camera.
No. Oh, okay.
Evening, distinguished guests, dear parents, our wonderful alumni, respected teachers, and amazing students. Welcome to Prerna 2024 Silver Jubilee Edition, a legacy inspiring greatness. Today, we come together to celebrate a momentous occasion. 25 years of legacy, learning, and inspiration.
Indeed, this isn't just an event. It's a tribute to a journey built on unwavering values, a clear vision, and boundless passion. We extend a warm welcome to every one of you who is a part of this special celebration, a day that honors the foundation of our success and the legacy we cherish.
Here's a little शायरी to capture the feeling of प्रेरणा at St. Peter's. प्रेरणा की बातों में वो जादू सा होता है. प्रेरणा की बातों में वो जादू सा होता है. हर गिरते कदम को फिर से उठा लेता है. रोशनी के जैसे हर राह में साथ चलता है. रोशनी के जैसे हर राह में साथ चलता है. सच्ची प्रेरणा ही इंसान को मुकाम तक पहुंचा देता है.
Beautifully said. This evening, as we celebrate our Silver Jubilee, we reflect onto a journey that has shaped countless lives and inspired greatness in so many. The legacy of St. Peter's is a testament to the vision of our founders, the dedication of our teachers, the achievements of our alumni, and the dreams of our students.
This celebration is not just about looking back. It's about embracing the future with renewed inspiration. Today at Prerna 2024, a legacy inspiring greatness at St. Peter's High School, which has been lighting our path since 1999, we're not just reminiscing, we're embarking on an accelerating journey through time. Get ready to catch glimpses of our incredible school's journey, a journey that has not only built a legacy, but a vibrant community that inspires greatness in every corner.
And guess what? We are truly privileged to meet and interact with some amazing achievers and inspiring personalities today. They are here to share their electrifying stories, what sparked their passion, and share priceless advice to empower the St. Peter's community to not just sustain, but to thrive in this legacy of greatness.
Really? Really? We can barely contain our excitement. I am certain their stories and insights won't just be lessons. They'll be sparks of inspiration that will ignite our spirits. So let's come together, our hearts full of enthusiasm, ready to absorb their wisdom. Let's stride forward confidently, fueled by our rich history, and set our sights on conquering even greater heights in future. Onward and upward, St. Peter's.
And now, it is time to officially commence the festivities. And who better to guide us into this milestone than our very own director, Mrs. T. Aruna Reddy, whose unwavering commitment has been instrumental in shaping this legacy.
With immense pride, we invite Mrs. T. Aruna Reddy to the dais to deliver the welcome address and kickstart Prerna 2024, a legacy inspiring greatness.
Good evening, Venerable Chief Guest Dr. G. Satish Reddy Garu, Mrs. A. Padmavati Garu, Honorable guests, esteemed parents, respected teachers, alumni, and dear students. It is said, dreams are the seeds from which great tomorrows are born. As I stand before you today, amidst the shining faces of those who have walked with us on this extraordinary journey, my heart swells with pride and gratitude. Today, we gather to celebrate Prerna 2024, a legacy inspiring greatness. a moment that stands as a milestone in the incredible voyage of St. Peter's High School. This evening is not merely an event. It's a confluence of dreams fulfilled and futures inspired. A Sapnon Ka Sangam that reflects 25 years of dedication, perseverance and excellence. 25 years ago, St. Peter's was a dream, a vision shaped by values, guided by purpose and nurtured by hope. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was this institution. It is the result of countless hands working together, countless hearts believing in a shared vision, and countless minds daring to dream big. Our founders laid the foundation of the school where knowledge meets wisdom, where learning transcends textbooks, and where inspiration breathes life into every corner. Like a potter shaping clay, they molded St. Peter's into a vibrant hub of creativity, excellence, and integrity. A dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream together is a reality. Together, we have turned dreams into reality, one milestone at a time. And today, we stand as a testimony to this collaborative spirit. Respected parents, choosing a school is a deeply personal decision, fueled by your hopes for your child's future. As we celebrate this Silver Jubilee, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to you. Your consistent trust in us by entrusting your children to our care has been crucial to our growth and success. Dear students, you are the lifeblood of this institution. In you, we see the promise of a brighter tomorrow. You are the stars that shine in the darkest night, illuminating the path ahead. Never forget that greatness is not just about achievements, but about the lives you touch and the legacy you leave behind. Respected teachers, your passion is the wind beneath our students' wings. Like gardeners, you nurture young minds, helping them bloom to their fullest potential. Dear alumni, you are the living proof of the values St. Peter's instilled. Your achievements inspire us to keep dreaming bigger, to keep striving harder. Honored guests, your presence graces this occasion and reminds us that true progress lies in building a community where every hand uplifts another. As we celebrate this milestone, I urge each one of you to carry forward the flame of inspiration, a light that not only illuminates your path but also guides others. Let this milestone be a springboard for greater achievements, a reminder that the best is yet to come. To echo the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Let's pledge to keep dreaming, keep inspiring, keep achieving together as a family. Welcome once again to this milestone celebration of dreams fulfilled and futures inspired. Let the festivities begin. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words that remind us of the values and dreams that have brought us to this milestone.
We have promises to keep and miles to go before we sleep. Together, we will continue to dream, inspire, and achieve as one united family.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand together to celebrate 25 glorious years of St. Peter's High School, it is only fitting that we honor the visionaries who made this journey possible. The founders, the torchbearers of this institution, whose dream laid foundation for countless futures.
The story of St. Peter's began in 1979 in Warangal, where three visionaries, Sri Nara Joseph Narayan Reddy ji, Sri Thumma Bala Reddy ji, and Sri Gopu Joji Reddy ji, came together with a shared dream to create a sanctuary of learning where every child could blossom. From humble beginnings, their vision took root, growing into an institution that has shaped the lives of thousands.
We are truly privileged to invite to the dais these remarkable individuals, the founders of St. Peter's High School, who have laid the very foundation of our beloved institution. It is with immense pride that we welcome the first generation members of the management whose steadfast dedication and unwavering commitment have nurtured the growth of this incredible dream. Mr. T.V. Reddy, Founder Principal, St. Peter's High School and Secretary of St. Peter's Engineering College. Mr. G. Matthias Reddy, Principal, St. Peter's Central Public School. Mr. G. Jayapal Reddy, Principal, St. Peter's Central School. Mrs. T. Saroja Reddy, former Principal, St. Peter's High School and Director of St. Peter's Engineering College. Mr. T. Alphonse Reddy, Secretary and Correspondent, St. Peter's High School. Mrs. T. Aruna Reddy, Director, St. Peter's High School. Mr. T. Jayapal Reddy, Chairman, St. Peter's Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Mrs. C. Sridevi, Correspondent, St. Peter's High School, Kompalli. Dr. Ajay Pal Reddy, Principal, St. Peter's College of Education. We also extend a warm welcome to the next generation leaders who are carrying forward this cherished legacy with great pride and a clear vision for the future. Director, St. Peter's Engineering College. Dr. Ashita Reddy, Director, St. Peter's High School. Mr. T. Ashish Reddy, Director, St. Peter's High School. Mr. Prashant Reddy, Director, St. Peter's High School. Mrs. T. Ritika Reddy, Director, St. Peter's Group.
Together, they embody the spirit and essence of St. Peter's, seamlessly bridging our rich past and a promising future. Join us as we honor their invaluable contributions and celebrate the legacy which continues to inspire greatness in our community. Now, as a part of this meaningful ceremony, we invite Sri Narra Joseph Narayan Reddy ji to light the torch and pass it to Sri Tumma Bala Reddy ji, who will then pass it to Sri Gopu Joji Reddy ji.
This torch of inspiration represents more than just light. It is a symbol of strength, resilience, and an enduring commitment towards education. It reminds us of a journey that began with a single spark in Warangal and expanded its glow to Hyderabad, touching lives, building futures, and inspiring greatness.
ఫౌండర్స్ నుంచి ఆ ఫ్లేమ్ ఆఫ్ లెగసీ ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్ నుంచి సెకండ్ జనరేషన్ టు ద ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్ టు ద క్యాబినెట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇయర్ టు ద బెస్ట్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ హై స్కూల్ ఫ్రమ్ దే టు ద టీచర్స్ అండ్ ఫైనలీ వీ గివ్ ఇట్ టు ద ప్రిన్సిపల్. దట్స్ వాట్ వీ వాంట్ టు కన్వే టు ఆల్ ద ఆడియన్స్ హియర్.
Remarkable legacy. Can you have a big round of applause? promise of our present and the infinite possibilities of our future. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of St. Peter's High School, a spirit that will continue to inspire generations to come. From the alumni to the school cabinet 2024-25, followed by the best outgoing students from class 6 to 12, the torch moves forward, a symbolic handover of inspiration, knowledge and values from one generation to the next. Leading this line are the academic heads representing the guiding lights who have shaped the minds and hearts of our students. The torch is now being passed. The torch is now being passed to our current principal, Dr. K. Suvarna, the custodian of this remarkable legacy. Hails to the flame of inspiration, may it light our paths as we continue this incredible journey. Now ignited in its place behind the stage, glowing brightly as a beacon of hope and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, after the spectacular lightings of the flame of inspiration, it is now time we immerse ourselves in the soul of this celebration. As we step into this next segment, we bring to you our Rambahasu Swagatam, a classical prelude which pays homage to the elegance of tradition and the power of inspiration.
This segment is not just a performance, it's a reflection of our theme, Prerna 2024, a legacy inspiring greatness. To introduce it, we are honored to have with us two legendary figures who embody this theme. A.R. Rahman, the maestro of music, and Aishwarya Rai, a global icon of grace and excellence.
Sir, we have all been inspired by your extraordinary journey, from your humble beginnings to becoming the Maudat of Madras. Could you please share a moment from your life where you found inspiration that shaped your legacy?
Thank you. Inspiration, for me, often came from moments of struggle and faith. When I lost my father at a young age, life wasn't easy. But it was my mother's strength and faith in my music that kept me going. I remember composing the music for Roja, not knowing how it would be received. But I poured my heart into it. That was a turning point. I learned that true inspiration comes when you trust your instincts and work with sincerity. संगीत सिर्फ एक कला नहीं है, यह आत्मा का एक पुल है. It connects hearts and transcends barriers.
Thank you, sir, for such a personal and inspiring story. Miss Aishwarya, you've been an icon of beauty, intelligence and perseverance. As someone who has represented India on a global stage, what inspired you to pursue excellence in every aspect of your life?
Thank you. I always say that inspiration begins at home. My parents taught me the value of hard work and humility. I remember my journey to Miss World in 1994. It wasn't just about a crown. It was about representing a billion dreams. Later, in my film career, I realized that every role I took on was an opportunity to inspire someone. I believe that when you embrace your purpose with passion and authenticity, you become a torchbearer for others. To all the students here, don't be afraid to dream big. Every achievement starts as a dream.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspiring words. Today's performance, our Rambaharsu Swagatam, is dedicated to individuals like you who have carried the torch of greatness and inspired countless lives. This classical dance embodies the harmony.
So, sit back and let the beauty of the movements, music and tradition fill your hearts with joy. Here's Arambhasu Swagatam, a celebration. Here's Arambhasu Swagatam, a celebration of elegance, inspiration and the enduring spirit of St. Peter's, where inspiration meets tradition and every step tells stories of greatness.
And the sheer magic they brought to the stage. Let's give them a warm, thunderous round of applause. What a mesmerizing performance. The elegance and divinity captured in every step.
Let's carry that magical energy forward into our next performance, which is all about exploring the wonders of nature through the eyes of young children.
Our earliest program, or EYP, serves cradle of lifelong learning, but the seeds of curiosity are lovingly nurtured into vibrant growth. These young minds, full of wonder and imagination, are like saplings planted in nurturing jungle, a magical space teeming with infinite opportunities. Within the safe and warm environment, guided by loving teachers, every child embarks on a journey of growth, joy, and discovery.
A metaphorical jungle is a sanctuary where learning takes roots and flourishes. The forest fantasia dance or jungle ka jadoo mirrors enchantment of this setting where animals, trees and dreams come alive to inspire boundless exploration. In these lively classrooms, every corner brims with imagination. Branches of art, music, storytelling intertwine the roots of foundational skills.
At the heart of this magical jungle lie our 3L strategy. Love of learning ensures that every activity sparks curiosity and encourages the thirst for knowledge. Love of learners highlights the personal connections our teachers build, creating a haven of trust and encouragement. Love of bringing the two together results in transformative experiences where teaching becomes an art and learning becomes joy.
Just like a jungle, where each tree, vine and creature plays a vital role, our classrooms foster holistic growth, social, emotional and intellectual. The magical elements of this setting empower our youngest learners to imagine freely, explore fearlessly and grow confidently, ready to someday soar as towering trees in this forest of life.
To help us understand the importance of nurturing young dreams and the magic of starting small, we are honored to have with us Ratan Tata, an icon of resilience, humility and innovation. Mr. Tata, could you share how the early lessons of your life shaped your incredible journey?
The lessons in humility, kindness and perseverance. I remember being told, no matter how high you soar, never forget the ground beneath your feet. प्रारंभिक वर्ष अत्यधिक संभावनाओं का समय होता है और प्रत्येक अनुभव का जीवन पर गहरा प्रभाव होता है. To the young ones here, dream big, but remember, success isn't just about what you achieve, it's about the values you carry with you.
Thank you, Mr. Tata, for those inspiring words. Your journey is a testament to our small beginnings, an icon of perseverance and creativity, whose story of resilience has inspired millions. Could you share how the early lessons of your life shaped your incredible career?
Thank you. My childhood was a mixture of dreams and struggles. I lost my parents at a very young age, but their lessons of courage and hard work stayed with me. I remember my mother telling me, जिंदगी में हारने से मत डरो, कोशिश करने से डरो, हार कर भी जीतने का मजा कुछ और होता है. Those words gave me the strength to keep trying even when the odds were against me. To all the young ones here, never stop believing in your dreams. They might seem small today, but with passion and effort, they can grow into something truly magical.
Thank you, Shahrukh, for that heartfelt message. As we present Jungle Ka Jadoo, we reflect on how every child's imagination is like a vibrant forest, alive, limitless, and brimming with possibilities.
Every child's journey holds potential for greatness.
Presenting Jungle Ka Jadoo, a tribute to the wonder of nature, the magic of childhood, and the inspiring journey of dreams.
Around and stay in lane. In the jungle there's a mighty shed. Don't get so close or you'll get a scare. Haki mera sati, feed him some chapati. You better keep him happy or he's doing some karate. Monkeys, zebras, crocodiles dance together, always smile. Playing keys, beating drums. Sing out loud and give it some. In the jungle, time to get this party started. I just want to Charlie, let it party, party. Get in line, single file. Walk around with a samba smile. In the jungle there's a mighty bear. Give away like you just don't care. Snake in the lake, feeding some cake. Shake your maracas, we got music to make. Time to join with the samba fun. Sing, dance, play, run. Enjoy the parade with everyone. Not going home till the day is done. In the jungle,
Let's fill this hall with your cheers and applause for these brilliant stars.
Please note that photography or videography may be restricted in certain segments of the event, especially during performance or speeches. Kindly follow the event guidelines and thank you for respecting the privacy of others. Dear audience, we kindly request everyone to remain seated throughout the event unless otherwise instructed. Please avoid approaching the stage area to ensure smooth proceedings and safety for everyone. Your cooperation will help us guide and conduct this program seamlessly. Thank you for your understanding.
Wasn't that performance just magical? Capturing the innocence and wonder of childhood. It beautifully showcased the magic of nature and the enchantment of every child's journey at St. Peter's.
Absolutely. Every child, like the elements in the forest, has a unique role. That performance reminded us that these early experiences shape curiosity and growth. At St. Peter's, we believe in partners in progress. Parents are active partners in shaping our future leaders.
As we move forward to our next theme, Sacha Vikas or Together We Grow, we celebrate the vital partnership of home, school and heart in shaping young lives. To explore this partnership further, we are honored to welcome the legendary Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Chacha Nehru, could you share your thoughts on the bond between home and school in nurturing young minds?
Thank you and namaste to all. Children are the foundation of our nation's future. Just as a young plant needs sunlight, water and care, A child needs love of parents and the guidance of teachers. बच्चों को स्नेह और समर्थन मिलता रहे तो उनका विकास निश्चित है. When children receive love and support, their growth is certain. Home and school must work together to create an environment where each child can flourish, learn, and have their own path as a country. We must ensure that each child's potential is recognized and nurtured.
Thank you, Chacha Nehru. Your words truly capture the spirit of togetherness. We're also thrilled to have Aamir Khan, a true champion of using film as a medium to inspire change. Aamir, could you share how your experiences reflect the importance of a supportive environment?
Thank you. It's an honor to be here. Growing up, I was fortunate to have a family that encouraged me to explore different paths. I was never restricted by boundaries. My family gave me the freedom to find my voice, and that is something I believe every child deserves. जब बच्चों को प्यार और विश्वास मिलता है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. When children receive love and trust, they can achieve anything. I've seen this in my own life through my work in films. Stories have the power to change mindsets, just as a nurturing environment can change the course of a child's future. When parents, teachers, and society come together, the growth of a child becomes limitless.
Thank you, Aamir, for your inspiring words. Your journey from actor to filmmaker and social reformer highlights the transformative power of belief and support. It's remarkable how you channel your platform to raise awareness of social issues and inspire young minds to think beyond their limitations.
At St. Peter's, we believe in the partnership of home and school, nurturing both intellect and heart to shape compassionate individuals. Through collaboration, we build strong foundation for their growth.
Exactly. Just as each tree in the forest contributes to the ecosystem, every person in a child's life, parents, teachers, and mentors, plays a vital role in their development. Together, we can create a nurturing space for them to discover their potential.
Now, we are excited to present a special dance by our Class 1 students, celebrating the beautiful bond between parents, teachers, and students. Presenting Saja Vikas, a celebration of the bond between home, school, and heart.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah! P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh you thank you. Thank you. P-H-A-N-K-Y, oh you thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it out now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y, oh you thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y, oh you thank you. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y, oh you thank you. For the joy that you give to me. तेरे बिन तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का, तू वाला मैं तेरा मैं अधूरा मेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जान होके मगन तू,